Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove a payment method from your DoorDash account. First, open up the DoorDash app or website. Next, go to your account and tap Payment under Account Settings. Here, you'll see a list of payment methods linked to your account. This could be a credit card, debit card, or PayPal. Tap on the payment method you want to remove. You should then see an option to delete or remove it. Confirm the removal and that's it. On my screen, it only shows Add Payment Method since I don't have one link right now. But if you do, that's where the remove option will appear. And that's it. That's how to remove a payment method from your DoorDash account. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.